Hey friends, we've got a really cool new furniture piece here for the kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at this piece. We're gonna do a thorough review and I'm gonna show you how I put it together. So Kenai Dog and I are gonna be putting this thing together, give you some tips and tricks, any problems that we see. It does come in a big box like this, and I will let you know you do need that team lift. This thing is pretty darn heavy if one person's trying to move it. Inside, everything looks fairly well packaged, like it's gonna be protected. You got some good styrofoam around the edges here. And we also have our instruction manual. Now, this is obviously gonna remind a lot of people of working with Legos. And the experience is fairly similar. Now, as we're unboxing things, we can get a first look here at the materials that they used. This is particle board, friends. This is not gonna be super heavy duty stuff that's gonna last forever. You can see that there's a thin layer of laminate that they put on top of here. That being said, it does look pretty good. And as a result, the weight is kept down significantly. But again, as you can see, it's cheap material, so don't expect this piece to last a long, long time. Now, the whole process to put this thing together actually took me a couple of hours. Really dedicate a little bit of time. The instructions weren't bad, but there was a couple of small areas that really I had to pay close attention to. Here's a closer look at the back of the piece. And again, you can see where that cord hangs out and will need to be plugged in. Again, overall, it feels fairly structurally sound. Again, the materials are not super high quality, but this appears to be a pretty solid piece. You can see the drawers slide in and out very easily, and the doors down here open up to reveal all of that storage area. Now, this area down here, I noticed there's a little bit of rub on the bottom, but again, there are some adjustments we can potentially make down in here on the hinges to really help this move a lot better and center kind of correctly. As you can see, already stuff just looks so much cleaner. What's better is that we have access now to a couple of the appliances we use all the time. Our little Keurig coffee machine, our toaster, that we can plug right into the top of this little console piece and actually have power for those things over in this corner. Whereas before it was just storage. We'd have to grab them, move them over to another outlet here in our kitchen to use them. We have a couple of hangers here, as you can see, for mugs or little pots and things like that if you'd like to use them. We have some storage up top. It's a very narrow shelf, but it could hold a couple of additional mugs, things like that. And then again, we have all of this extra space underneath. So as you can see, we've begun stacking a couple of our larger appliances, the Instapot or slow cooker. I went ahead and adjusted this shelf down so that we could fit these taller appliances. We could even take this shelf out completely to be able to store our air fryer. And then again, we haven't even begun to start using the storage space of the drawers. We could put our Keurig cups here for easy access. And again, all sorts of really great options to then hide the mess so this corner over here doesn't look ugly and cluttered. So there you go, friends. A cool little piece that's great for here in our kitchen. Now again, don't expect this to be a legacy piece. It's not the highest quality, but it is decent enough quality where I think this is gonna last us quite a while. So if you just need a budget-friendly option to help clear that clutter, this could be it. Again, if you want it for yourself, you can buy it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. And then stay tuned because we actually do a ton of these Amazon reviews to help your shopping experience be just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.